Okay, folks, I am making pigs in a blanket. They go in the oven, and it'll be set for 375 for 9 to so many minutes. And then I'm trying to make some Prego meat sauce. There's the meat. I got to turn my saucer on at 4 here. Yep, like this. Yep, just like that 4. And then we put this stuff in. So here, Macy, you want to hold this while I
okay. Also, he's cooking.
No. Okay, here. Okay, now, and see, we just dump this stuff right on in.
Your arms no hair. There you go.
Yeah, like that, and we stir it. And this will make some...
Wait, here's dog.
We don't need dog. Okay, we don't need it that close. Okay, so that's how we do it. Okay, all right, put that. All right. Tune in later for more details. The oven was preheated. Here's the pigs in a blanket before. Here's my ingredients that I used to make my spaghetti. Oh yeah, fill the pan up with some water and let it boil. Here was the final product of the pigs in a blanket on the plate, and my spaghetti with some Parmesan cheese.